Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Gracious. It's your favorite girl, Gracious. And today on another beautiful topic. Things that a woman will never do if she truly loves you. Are you doubting the love that your woman has for you? There are some attributes, there are some things that a woman who truly loves you will never do. If your woman is doing any of this, then you need to doubt her love. We need to check it out. If a woman truly loves you, she does not get insecure. A woman that loves you will not feel insecure around you. She won't be feeling that whenever you go out to chill with your fellow guys, to chill and hang out with your friends, it feels like you guys are going to be talking about her. When you come back, she'll be so inquisitive to know what's up. Or when you feel like you need to have a long time with your guys, she will feel like joining you to know what you guys are discussing. She is not going to be mischievous, especially when she's doing something and then finds out that you are around or you come around. Number 2 is that a woman who truly loves you will never disrespect you. Understand me when I say disrespect. I don't mean that you need to be controlling and managing her life. That when she pierces her nose, you tell her, you don't pierce your nose, close it, and she will. Now she is a person, she have her life before you came into her life. She have her person before she came into your life. So as a person that she was before she came into your life, you love her that way, and you chose her to be your girlfriend that way, or your partner that way. So because she is not supposed to be disrespecting you doesn't mean that you now need to control her life and tell her every single thing to do. But you should know what I mean by disrespect. So a woman that truly loves you should not disrespect you. Number 3 is that a woman who truly loves you will never cheat on you, no matter what. Even if she is drunk, that is not an excuse. You're tipsy or you're drunk, except you are passed out, is different from being drunk and tipsy. You're passed out, you don't know what is happening. It feels like someone that is in a very deep sleep. Whatever is happening around you, you don't know. But when you're drunk or tipsy, you still have your level of understanding and reasoning and reactions. So whatever happens, you're not supposed to cheat on your partner if you truly love that person. So there is no excuse for cheating. A woman that cheats on you and feels like it is because you cheated on me, so I try to pay back with cheating. Even if you cheat on her, she's not supposed to cheat on you because she truly loves you. There is no excuse for that. So a woman who truly loves you will never cheat on you. There is no excuse for that. Number 4 is that a woman who truly loves you will never use you. Yes, when I made the video of friend zone, that video is more like the attitudes, 21 attitudes that a girl will portray that shows that she is just using you. You know, sometimes guys, you see a girl and you love the girl, you want to be part of her life. And then you start running errands for her. You start doing things that you're not supposed to do for her. She calls you, please help me go here, and you do. Please help me pick up this. But you guys are not even a thing. She's obviously using you. So if you've not seen that video, I'm going to leave a link somewhere in the description box or somewhere around here. So you see that video, you see the 21 attitudes or attributes that a girl will portray that shows that she is using you. So if you're thinking that the both of you will end up together, it might not actually work. So a girl that really loves you will not use you. And in that video, I also say that when we love a guy, we don't use them. We don't send them on errands when we love a guy. So someone that truly loves you will never use you. So if there is any girl in your life and she's acting like she truly loves you, but she is taking advantage of you, that is not love, my dear. Number 5 the last but not the least is that a woman who truly loves you will never misuse your money. She is not supposed to be misusing your money. Obviously, your money is her money. What I'm saying is, her thinking about future together with you, knowing that you guys are going to produce an offspring, and it is not an advisable thing to squander or misuse your money, because yes, that money is going to benefit the children, it's going to benefit the family. So if she's misusing your money, she's ultimately playing with her future as well. So she's not supposed to squander the money, because it's literally her money. Why would she be squandering your money and then she wouldn't squander hers? She's saving her money, but she's misusing your money, using it anyhow, using it on careless things. I'm not saying when she starts up a business with your money and try to grow the business or something like that. You know what I mean by misuse. So when a woman truly loves you, she will not misuse your money. If she's thinking of a future together with you, she will build that relationship, even help you to know how you manage your wealth. Yes, because she knows it's going to benefit her. That when she eats and squander this money, and it diminishes or runs down whatever business that is giving you the money, it's going to affect her as well. So when she squanders your money, that means she's not planning any future with you. So these are my top 5 points. Very short video. Yes, that will help you to know if that girl truly loves you. If she truly loves you, she will never do these 5 things. So be on guard. I'm still your favorite coach, Gracious Chioma. If you find this video helpful, leave a comment down there below in the comment section. Like this video, share the video, hit the subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell, because I'm definitely going to see you in my next video.